Hey man, these joints is low-key tough, bruh. But you already know what Jordan did, man. They made another huge mistake with this dope Air Jordan 3. We gotta talk about it in today's video, man. So stick around and stay tuned. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video from your boy DeVintage, man. If you guys are new here to the channel, you're already liking the vibes. You're seeing what we got going on, man. We got another early look at a sneaker that's coming out very soon. Make sure you guys subscribe right now, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge like on today's video, man. Them likes go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. Puts in the algorithm, you know what I'm saying? It's help other people that's out here looking for this early pair of Air Jordan 3s, man. So like I said, we ain't gonna do too much talking. Definitely want to say a lot about this Air Jordan 3. So like I said, let's go ahead and hop into today's unboxing, man. All right, man. So here we have them, bro. You see it. They've been doing this so often now with the Air Jordan 3s. Like, I almost forgot what a regular Air Jordan 3 box looked like at this point, because they keep giving us this little regular box that you open up with the little cement on one side and a predominant color on the other. You guys see you do have your Jumpman Air on one side. You got your elephant print on the right side, and then for the official colorway, it reads, man. It reads. Like I said, no, we ain't gonna do too much talking, bro. Women's Air Jordan 3 Retro White Cosmic Clay and Sail. And I got these in a size 10.5, woman, and a 9 in men, as you guys can see. And I was looking at the size tag. I was like, why is it saying 9Y? I think that's what they've been doing lately. I'm gonna check out my Air Jordan 4 gold metallic joints to make sure like it says the same thing, but maybe they're just doing with Air Jordan 3s. Not too sure. But if you guys can fit up into a size 12 women, you want a good treat with these right here, man. So let's go ahead and check them out, bruh. And go ahead and flip open the tissue paper and show y'all what we here for today. And it is the Air Jordan 3 Georgia Peaches, man. So we're going to go ahead and pull both of these sneakers out of the box real quick, just so we can tap in, check them out, see what we got. But like I said, on the inside, regular tissue paper, nothing else on the inside. And you don't even get a sticker in it. So you're going to get a little quality control stamp on the outside of the box lid. But we ain't too worried about the box, man. I know you guys only want to see these Georgia Peach things. Bam, man. There we have them, bruh. The Georgia Peach Air Jordan 3s. And I ain't gonna lie, bro. I feel like Jordan Brand has been going crazy with the Air Jordan 3 women's exclusives and just Air Jordan 3s in general. We getting the Air Jordan 3 black cement later. We got the Air Jordan 3 green glows, which a lot of people slept on. I really like them. Just a bunch of other little cool Jordan 3s they splashing in here and there throughout the year. And I feel like with this woman's exclusive, they could have made this a regular men's GR. Like, they could have just gave the love to everybody. Just checking out the hits overall, you guys see what's probably going to stand out the most is that age sail on predominantly the entire, midsole. But on the back, you do get that Georgia orange peach, or whatever you want to call it. They call them Georgia peaches, is what they running with. But if I ain't tripping, this is like a regular orange, but we're going to call it peach for the name's sake, what Nike is running with. But you guys can see also on the heel, you have your regular Jumpman Air, no Nike Air, of course. If we would have had Nike Air on the back, people would have went crazy on them. They've really been like, why y'all didn't make this regular GR? Why ain't y'all extend it to the men's? But regular Jumpman Air on the back. And on the tongue, you also get another orange or Georgia peach Jumpman right here. And overall, like, the quality is not like any other Air Jordan 3 we have seen in the past. It's not super crazy, not super nice. I'm gonna grab the Lucky Green Woman Air Jordan 3 just to kind of compare the two leather qualities, because these right here is far off from what I got with those Lucky Green Air Jordan 3. So I don't know if you guys can peep, but over here we have the Air Jordan 3 Lucky Green, which was another women's exclusive we got. But you can overall just see by the texture of the leather, it is a little bit better. And as far as the elephant print around the toe box, you got a darker, way more prominent elephant print on the toe box and on the heel compared to the Georgia Peach 3. So I don't know what the inconsistencies are with the pattern or the darkness or the lightness of the elephant print on Air Jordan 3, but I just feel like it's been a huge issue for the past couple years with them getting it right. Maybe they doing it on purpose. Maybe they don't want all of the elephant prints to look the same. But from what I'm knowing, what I'm used to grabbing before like 2016, they all had a dark pattern. But maybe I'm tripping. Maybe it's just me. But I know you guys can see the huge elephant in the room, no pun intended, the lighter elephant print on the heel and the darker one on these Air Jordan 3 women's Lucky Greens. So like I said, I don't know, not too sure what's going on, but pairing these two side by side, man, they gave us the lime green joints, and they also giving us that nice tangerine or Georgia peach vibes with Air Jordan 3, man. I think they're going crazy for the women's exclusive. I think they need to delve back into the men's pair, man. Give us some men drops, give us some heaters. The green gloves was cool, but they was highly slept on. I feel like a colorway like this definitely brings some excitement to everybody there in the sneaker community. That's just my honest opinion. And then also, again, with the elephant print, man, you guys can see the Air Jordan 3 white cement reimagined. Check out the heels. Two totally different, patterns for the elephant print. This is the same exact sneaker. Just came out the same box. I didn't mismatch or anything. So you guys can see, like, it's been very, very inconsistent. I don't know why. If you guys got any clue what's going on, drop that comment down below. And I can't believe I got this far in today's video without even asking you guys, man, will you be trying to secure these joints? All my women out there that are interested in copping these, please let me know down below in the comment section. Is it a cop? Is it a drop? Is it fire? Is it trash? I need to see all y'all thoughts and opinions over the Georgia Peach Air Jordan 3s. And it's crazy, I just checked the release date and it's actually this upcoming Tuesday. We usually don't get releases on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and stuff like that. So when it does happen, it's kind of like out the ordinary, out the blue. But these Air Jordan 3 Georgia Peaches will be dropping this upcoming Tuesday. Retail tag is still 210 bucks, man. Crazy steep. So quick correction. I had to check. I was like, hold on, maybe I spoke too soon. But these Georgia Peach Air Jordan 3s will be retailing for $200. 200 bucks this upcoming Tuesday. Not bad, but still, man, I feel like with Jordans like this, that Jordan brand know that's gonna sit. They know they need to drop that retail tag. At least 170, bro. 170 is a general price I feel like people wouldn't mind paying, bro. But you go out there paying 200 plus shipping plus taxes, it's just getting out of hand at this point. Jordan brand, time to drop that retail price. But yeah, guys, one more quick 360 look at these. This is not the full review. I'm thinking about doing an entire on feet on release day potentially, just to see how people were actually feeling about them. And if you guys do want to see on feet, man, let's get this video up to at least 400 likes. If y'all want to see it, bro, let's get up to 400 likes and I will be happy and glad to drop the on feet, man. I'm putting a comment as well, just in case anybody watching this far throughout the video. And as you guys can see on me, man, I do have on my OutRank gear. OutRank brand has you guys covered every single Jordan release. I know y'all just seen what happened with the Air Jordan 1 Green Glow. Dope merch, dope clothing to go with those. And now they following up with the Air Jordan 3 Georgia Peach merch. You can see, bro, look at the tee, man. Look at the tee, bro. It goes perfect with every release. And definitely these Air Jordan 3 Georgia Peaches. I'm gonna give you guys some B-roll of the tee, man. But the quality is good. It's really nice. And I'm telling y'all, bro, if you ever need somewhere to go to get your clothing, OutRank is the way to go. Make sure you use my discount code DeVintage to save 10% off your entire order. Save you a couple dollars, man. I'm telling y'all, don't sleep, bro. This might go quick. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video, man. Happy Sunday. I hope everybody had a great day. And I hope your boy DeVintage made your day if you was anticipating this drop from your boy. Hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, hit the notification bell for your boys to miss out on any content that we do drop. And all that being said, man, your boy DeVintage. Gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.